morning, guys! So, nakakaloka. Nagpa-deliver ako sa Glovo. So, sorry buwaghagin yung hair. Pero lahat ng mga gamit ko nandito na. Sobrang convenient itong Glovo So, you order food from Glovo as well. So, kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo kahapon, my mom wants this. So, right now, kailangan ko na siya i-pack ng mabuti. So, 8:30 ko siya pinadeliver. Dumating talaga on time. Like, on time. Okay, so here are my olive oils. Mag-packing na tayo. Let's go, Jax Reyes. Inilabas ko na itong handy-dandy tote ko kasi if ever may kailangan akong kainin or not. But, ang tibay nitong plastic nila na to, parang starch plastic siya. Pero guys, ang tibay niya kasi akalahin ko. Akala ko diba hindi siya matibay itong plastic. Girl, ang tibay niya. Anyways, sana hindi ganito yung pagka-seal nila, diba? Because, paano ko tatanggalin? So, I bought mga olive oil for my mom. Extra virgin olive oil. So, I'll put the screenshots naman dyan sa loob. Tapos yung iba nag-sale. So, mas nagmura pa. Ay, taray, mga olive oil na to. Sorry, sirain ko yung paper plastic bag. Ayan naka-foil pa to. Nakakaloka lang, mga 1 litro siya lahat. So, good luck. Anyway, so just to share with you how I pack, let's say yung mga ganitong items ko. Diba? Pababa ko siya para mapakita ko sa inyo. So, ganito ko siya pinapack. I'm sure naman marunong naman kayo, pero pakita ko na lang. So, diba usually, yan. So, naka-fold yan. Makapal kasi itong jacket ko na to. And then, itong isa, fold ko rin siya. Tapos, yung sleeves ko, has extra padding siya here and on the other side as well. Diba? Olive oil mo, packed siya. And then, syempre ilalagay mo siya sa maleta. So, hindi ko siya ilalagay sa duffel bag ko. Kasi guys, yung sa duffel bag, sure tayong basag yan, diba? So, wag doon. Ilalagay mo siya doon sa hard shell ko na bags. Okay. And then, check ko na rin yung others. So, bumili rin ako ng mga other snacks dito. Sana naman yung pagka-seal nila, hindi yung OA. Ang OA kasi parang seal, talagang silyado sa... hindi ko magamit yung sandbag. Yan. Oh my God, look at this. Pistachio na parang croissant. Diba? Uso kasi sa kanila dito yung ganyan. And I also got balsamico. Kasi yun yung mga request ng mom ko. And then may for JP, mahilig siya sa mga Kinders. So yun. By the way, itong plastic guys, ilalagay ko na rin siya dito sa loob para another layer of protection siya. Ganyan. Diba? And then, yung mga heat tech ko, yun yung pambalot ko pa sa ibang mga olive oil. O diba? At sa balsamico. Guys, yun mo to, itong olive oil parang maganda to. Kasi tinan mo, alam mo, may mas magaganda pa dito. But I'm sure, sabihin nyo, Jax, ba't yan yung binili mo? To be honest, guys, hindi na ako nakalabas. So, gets mo, parang hindi na ako nakabili talaga ng mga olive oil. Eh, di ba nga, last stop ko kasi to bago ako umuwi. So, that's why sabi ko, naku, baka may Carrefour or may saan man ako makabili. Basta makabili ako ng mga good quality. So, syempre kinuha ko yung mga review ko muna online. Tinignan ko kung mas maganda yung review and rating. Tapos dun ako kumuha. So, at least meron guys. Ganun na lang yung parang iniisip ko. At least nakabili ako. Kasi nga, gusto ni mommy. Sabi ko, yes, I will find a way. Kasi sabi ni JP, Mom wants olive oil. Ganyan. So sabi ko, okay, I'm sure hanap ako ng paraan. Okay, anyways, yun muna. Kasi mo, I also got loackers. And some of these like tam-tam. So you can bring some to the play. Oh my gosh, ang cute. Okay, anyways, yun yung mga nakuha ko ng mga goodies. By the way, yung parang for my plane, ang gagawin ko is ito. Ilagay ko siya dito. Parang extra tote ko siya. Diba? Cute! I love loacker. Okay, tapos magbihis na ako. Then later, 10 o'clock, I'll go to the airport na. Okay guys, I have couple of minutes. Sabi lang nila, yung gate ko medyo malayo. Nasa 20 minutes daw siya. So, all of the different snacks nila here as well.
medyo layo, 20 minutes daw siya. So mga I have up until 11:40 para then slowly make my way na ako doon. So I got yung mga food nila here, sandwiches. I even got Aperol. So this is the Lufthansa lounge. So try natin yung mga food. Konti ng kakainin ko guys para at least, alam mo yun, para matry lang. Kasi nga, nandito na ako. Sarap ng butter. Yung mga sandwiches sila na ganito. Ay! Blue cheese. Ito naman parang ham. Sarap nito. Tapos guys, meron din sila lasagna. Sarap. Spinach siya. Alam yung pag nandito kayo guys, you should try it na rin. Yung mga ganitong, kung sa lounge ka, try mo lang, pero konti-konti lang kunin nyo. Huwag nyo sobrang dami. Ang sarap nitong pork. Grabe. Quality na quality. Yum.
Guys, we're on our way back. Alam kong birthday, pero gusto ko na talaga makauwi. Yan yung goal. So this will be my seat. Nakakatawa, first time ko na SQ. Tapos yung siya, nakabus kami dito sa Milan. Pero nasa gitna kami. Pero okay lang yan, may photo ako. I'll post it here. And then, hindi ko na itutour to. Alam mo naman na ganito yung usual na to. But I will be so happy. Kasi makakauwi na rin ako. Medyo na-miss ko na rin. Alam mo yung parang, hindi ganun katagal yung trip. Pero, parang tinapos ko naman lahat ng work na kailangan. Nagawa ko lahat. Even some other works, nagawa ko na rin siya via mobile. I'm kinda excited to go back home. And gusto ko makita yung housewarming ni Jazz. Hindi ako nakapunta. Ito Jazz's birthday as well. So lahat yun. Pag uwi ko, yun yung gagawin ko. And I will be staying put, editing, para makita niyo lahat ng mga yun. I'm sure maraming mga new videos here. Ang ganda ng sun na to. Taray!
Infants must be carried out from the bassinets and secured with an infant seatbelt. Connect to in-flight Wi-Fi to access games, entertainment, content, and more on Griswold Digital.
Guys, ito talaga my favorite. The satay. Oh my gosh.
Yung satay talaga guys. Oh my gosh, the best. The satay. The Singapore Airlines satay. The best. The satay. Sarap. The best. So parang burrata siya. With pesto. Not bad. Pleasantly masarap. Tigas ng kamatis. Pleasantly surprised with the food. Fig. May focaccia sila. Ang dami kong kinain na. Ano na Jax Reyes? Oh my gosh, tong butter na to. Butter. To try it with the plain bread. Ang sarap ng butter. Okay, ako na. Jax Reyes, stop eating. Bawal kain ng kain. Carbs pa lahat. Day. Kakaibang food. Cook to cook tayo. Let's try. I love it na may gulay siya. And it's arugula. Pait. I love arugula. Pait. Bitterness. Para sa mga bitter. Charot. Pasta's not bad, guys. Siyempre, iba naman siya, di ba? We're in the plate. Pero hindi siya parang yun sa Italy ka. Pero mukha.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, yung Wi-Fi. Finally, makakonect na ako. Guys, look. This will be my birthday cake on board. Diba? We have tiramisu and ice cream. Both things I love. Ang sarap ng tiramisu. Ang sarap ng tiramisu. Let's try the ice cream. Oh my God, yung ice cream, ang tigas, guys. Just like how I love it, yung sobrang tigas na ice cream. Ang tigas! Ang tigas ng ice cream. And then meron mamaya mga ciabatta, ganyan. Pero parang ayaw mga pa eh. Tapos breakfast. Yung breakfast mukhang malungkot. Pinaka-hate ko talaga breakfast lagi, guys. Tapos breakfast na naman yung mamaya natin pauwi sa Manila. Siya talaga yung pinaka-saddest na meal sa plate, breakfast. Kaya ayoko na umaga flight, char. Maldita. Pero guys, yung totoo, masarap mga breakfast. Masarap lunch and dinner. Dinner yung best. Pero kung meron ka, mag-dinner ka. I have cappuccino pa, guys. So guys, if you're reading this message, I think alam nyo naman na yes, I will be celebrating my birthday. And nasa airplano ako. I'm not celebrating it with a restaurant or a meal. It's because, syempre, I had to fly today. But it's okay. And I have a Facebook post naman there kung ano yung nakita yung messages ko doon. The other thing that I just wanna share here is that, di ba yun yung tiramisu, ito yung virtual candle ko. Ganyan. But diba, I think more than ever, what I really wanna say is, I just wanna reiterate the message that I will be posting, diba? Na more than ever, I think the biggest purpose ko and the mission is really about making every Filipino financially free. And it stays the same, it will be the same, and it's bigger more than ever. And this year in 2026, ang dami naming commitments, ang dami naming parang pinag-usapan na plano, especially for Kaskasan Buddies as well, na how do we make, financial literacy as our key driving force. Kasi I've personally seen how it affects people, the lives of people, how it improves as well. That's why now, reflecting this year, maraming salamat. I am filled with so much gratitude, diba, na another year of life and purpose. But looking back, I just wanna say rin na hindi ko naman inakala na aabot tayo to this point, diba, to where we are. The journey was very long, it was hard. There are times na parang paminsan, sabi ko, oh my gosh, kaya ko ba to? Sometimes you do question yourself. And I'm telling you that the journey was not easy, but it's very fulfilling. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin. And when I celebrate my birthday, I am so happy because I see so much of you, diba? Either commenting na na-reach yung mga goals nyo, financial milestones nyo, reaching your first 100,000, nakakapag-invest, nakapag-boss ka ng MP2, nakapagbili ka ng first stock mo, nakakuha ka ng first credit card mo and fully paid siya lahat, and so much more. Creating content will not be a walk in the park, but you guys are the driving force, diba? And keeping everything free of charge is also not a walk in the park, and it's not easy, but I see the value in it. And kaya gusto ko sabihin, maraming salamat, dahil kung wala kayo, wala yung supportan nyo, definitely wala rin naman ako. There's nothing that I could create without your support. And also, I want to appreciate all of your messages, your wins, yung simple thank yous nyo as well sa mga comment section. That drives me every day to create more content. And not only that, guys, maraming salamat rin sa mga nagme-message na, alam nyo ba, ginagamit nyo daw yung promo codes ko, ginagamit yung referral code ko, and paminsan hindi daw kayo nagsiskip nag-ads, especially on YouTube. Maraming salamat. I realized that the mission is bigger than my personal goals. And it's a huge privilege talaga on where I am and makasama rin kayo through your own personal journey. And because I believe na kaya nating umasenso lahat, we do need to take steps. It is not easy, but we can do it. So guys, diba, as I blow my very first virtual candle, my wish is really, diba, for us to stay hungry, consistent. 2026, diba? 2 months pa lang, 1.5 month pa nga lang, guys eh. I personally will promise to stay committed sa magbibigay ng free content, free templates, kung ano man kaya natin, because everyone deserves a shot in financial or a shot at financial freedom. We all deserve to be financially free. We can all learn to be financial free. Hindi siya magiging madali, but we can do it. And again, naniniwala ako na basta tulong-tulong tayo, guys, I'm excited for more milestones and for more things that to celebrate natin together. Again, to my Kaskasan Buddies community and my family, thank you so much for being my anchor and of course my inspiration. Maraming salamat. Kasi guys, hindi madali yung mga daan na tinahak natin, di ba? But your support and everyone's support, every struggle talaga is totally worth it. And like ko nga sinasabi, guys, bawal tayo mapagod because ang dami pa natin kailangan gawin. Marami pa tayong kailangan gawin para sa bayan. Kayod pa tayo, and let's keep winning together. And thank you so much for all of your beautiful messages, greetings, and warm messages. Maraming salamat. Nice. Ang cute. Oh. Thank you so much, SQ355. Oh my God. Look at the whole cake. It's a chocolate cake. It's so cute. As in. Saktong birthday. And technically, hindi pa tapos yung birthday ko kasi nga, nasa Milan time tayo. So, oh my God, thank you so much, Singapore Airlines. Let's try and eat the cake, guys. Oh my gosh, I got a Singapore sling. Love an alcoholic beverage. Ay, drink responsibly. Naalala ko dati yung cake ko, guys, sa Singapore Airlines was, parang fruit cheesecake. Itong cake din po ganito siya. Let's try. Chocolate siya na parang fruity. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Masarap naman siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. But I will enjoy it since it's my cake. I will enjoy it. Ito yung first cake ko for this birthday. Kasi pag land natin, Feb 14 na. Birthday na ni Jazz. Parang siyang may marmalade if titignan mo. Thank you so much, SQ. Love you guys.